Hello and welcome. It's Friday, May 2nd, 2025. And what's in our best interest to know at this time? This is what I'm going to ask our teams of guides and angels. Hi, I'm Maureen Frank, the Mandala Lady. Let's get started. I call in our teams of guides and angels with the intention of receiving whatever insight and guidance is in our best interest to receive at this time. Okay. So it almost like trumpet flower, but it's yes, I can do this. All right. It's like a trumpet flower thing. Well, the way I've drawn it looks like it looks like a witch's hat. Hold on, I'll show you just a second. It looks like a witch's hat or something. But so there's information like flowing. Let me put the stem here. Okay, and what happens next? Oh, and you see it as red. Okay. All right, I'll just do this as red. But that's kind of like pink. All right. Pinkish. All right. And that's green. Okay, they want me to do all of it. All right. That's like this stem. Green. Like all right. Oh, I'm hearing nature's calling. Nature's calling. All right. So I should put some color to it. So what happens next? All right. The bees, yeah, little bees are flying all around, buzzing around. That's enough, they said. Okay, so some bees buzzing around. They're waiting. It's like there's a download of information or something. Okay, hold on. This is like kind of like a dark. No, that's not dark enough. All right. Let me add this other color on top. Information coming from down inside. All right, this feels like a continuation of last Friday's reading where about connecting with our true nature and to go within to connect with our true nature, again, aligning with our true self, our authentic self, and explore ways that we are not being authentic. Is that right? Okay, you're giving me a yes. All right, so what else? How can, okay, our challenge becomes trusting that the information that we know about ourselves or about our true selves, trusting that it is true. And that's where you can rely on your body's reaction. I know for me, if I feel elated, if I feel like my heart's lifting, those are key ways to let me know that I've connected with the my authentic self. Yeah, my body's moving forward. Well, how can, I'm sure what people are wanting to know is how can they connect with their true nature? All right, an interesting exercise to do would be to ask that question of ourselves and then write the answer, write it, not on a device, write it with the non-dominant hand. Um, so demonstrate. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this will work. All right. So I'll ask myself, what's what about what's something about my true nature? What is about my true nature? Okay, so see, for me, I tend to get visuals. So I just saw a flower just pop open and fully blossom. So, um, yeah, and well, because I've been in tune with this for so long, I'm hearing it before I even have to write it. But I'll write what um, uh, meant and let go of what it looks like to shine. It's like stream of consciousness writing without judgment. Okay, I just heard it. I'll show you just a second. All right. Shoot. Okay. Well, you may not be able to understand everything I wrote, but this you should be able to understand. Stop hiding. Okay. Stop hiding. I I know I'm hiding. Yes, I'm doing these videos, but they're in a way they're still hiding because I can't see you. So I assume you can't see me. I mean, it's silly logic. Um, I'm still, but it's safe and to hiding is safe. And yet there's so much that like that flower that just kind of shot up and opened up is, I meant to shine. And, um, and, and that's true for all of us. It's not just me, but for me, the way I'm doing that is the way I'm not doing that is by hiding out, that I need to put myself out there more. And some people might say, but you're doing the mandala of the day, the mandala of the week, mandala of the month, mandala of the year. You're doing the readings on YouTube. Yes, but they're all safe. They're all things I can do from my home. They're all safe from interacting with other people. And so my true nature, and this came up in a class I took last week or a week and a half ago. Um, oh yeah, because I think I talked about it in one of the readings recently. Is that I'm wearing the coat of apprehension, and to remove that, when I remove that coat of apprehension, what's beneath there, and there's this sense of bubbly friendliness. I just had this vision of me when I was a toddler, and just this whole bubbly look about me, and very open and friendly. And over the decades, I've allowed stuff to close in on me so that I tend to want to hide. So sorry, I didn't realize this reading was going to be so much about me, but yeah, I hope in the process of it that you gain some insight for yourself to just connect with your authentic self, and just ask it, what's one thing I need to know right now? And so like for me, it's stop hiding. And yeah. Okay. So what is it for you? So that's your message for today. This is what's in your best interest to know, is to go into your upper higher self and allow yourself to receive whatever that is that's about your authentic self. And you could start by asking yourself, what are the coats that I wear that are covering me? And yes, the stop hiding is also for anyone who's watching this video right now. Stop hiding. I'll stop hiding if you stop. No, you stop hiding. If I stop hiding, you stop hiding. Okay. Anything else to add? No, I said I did good. All right. I'll take them at their word. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.